Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called replanning frequency, which is specific in MRP system. It is a simulation model used to examine the effects of different replanning intervals in material requirement planning or MRP system. The replanning frequencies of monthly, twice monthly, weekly, twice weekly, daily, and twice daily are simulated in an MRP environment in which timing changes can occur in master production schedule. The replanning frequencies are evaluated on the basis of end item service rate, inventory value, and number of open order change notices. The results suggest that inventory may increase with more frequent MRP replanning and that the widely accepted practice of making weekly MRP runs may not always be the best alternative, but in the lean and JIT environment, they may do the replanning at least weekly twice, whereas traditional organization, as per my experience, the weekly frequency holds good. However, in the traditional organization, they may do it once in 2 weeks or monthly, but as you do more frequently, it may induce something called system nervousness, which you have to examine and moderate this frequency. Thanks for watching. Bye.